Hi everyone, it's me Sharanya from S4 Sharanya Science Classes. I'm here to share my happiness with you all that you all are keep supporting me by subscribing, liking and sharing my channel's videos. It's make me more responsible. I will surely come up with more science videos. So please keep supporting me. So thank you so much. So continue your support. So let's start today's video.
So, hi dear students, today we are going to perform the epidermal cells of onion peel. How to visualize that under the microscope. So first we have to prepare the temporary mound of onion peel that we are going to do now. Okay, so for that what the things we need? So we need onion, right? And you have to need that I have taken here in some water in watch glass. I have taken 2 watch glasses with water. And you can see here I have taken safranin solution, which is the stain solution. This is the safranin, right? This is the concentrated safranin, the stain. The stain is used to color the cell because this will be transparent cell. So it will not be that much easy to visualize that properly. You can see that, but utna aasan nahi hoga. So that's why we are taking safranin, which will give the color to the cells so that we can easily distinguish the cells and cell wall and the nucleus, everything properly. So I have taken diluted safranin, right? So here you can see that, and you can see that for the mounting. So for that we are taken that proper mounting of that cover slip and the cell, and all the things must be in proper way. So that's why we have taken glycerin also for that. Along with that I have taken a brush, a needle, right, and a forceps also. So here some blotting papers and some tissue papers also for cleaning. And I have taken a glass slide and that cover slip also. So we are going to do the experiment. So you can see that this is the onion I have actually taken, right? So you can see that we need the onion peel, right? So what you have to do, you can see here, I'm just taking out that peel. So the outer one. There are 2-3 ways are there. I will show you 2 ways how to do that, right? So I'm taking it out. You can see this. Yes, this is the thing, right? So now with the help of a forceps, I'm just taking out that peel. Here you can see that it's already separated. Yes, this is the peel. Be careful. I hope you can see that white transparent peel, right? Yes, this is the peel, right? So that we are going to take it out with the help of a forceps. Small pieces you will get. So I'm transferring into a water so that the cells will not be dry up, right? So properly transfer into water so that the cells will not be dry up. Again I'm taking some more portion. No problem whether it is teared or not, we need all small pieces only. So here, I got a very large piece. So I'm just cutting down into 2 pieces so that it will be easy for the visualizing. Yes. So I got a very large piece, so I am cutting down to 2 pieces. You can see that it's very transparent, the epidermal layer. This is called the onion peel, right? So I'm just transferring to water now. So this is under water so that it will be moisturized properly. It will not dry out, right? So after that, another method of actually taking the onion peel, I will show you that. So here, this is the onion, right? So what you have to do, just a thick onion piece you can take that. That will be more easy. That's already taken one. Taken like that. What you have to do, just make it into half. So here itself you can see that that's automatically coming up, right? So this is the way, right? So here also you will easily get the onion peel, right? Or what you have to do, just tear it off. Like the same way, if you are tearing also, you will get it. The upper one, if you want that upper epidermis, you can take like this. So from here also you can tear it off. The lower one, if you need, that's very easy. Lower one, it's actually very easy to get it. So here this is the lower epidermis, and if you need the upper one, what you have to do, just take it and smear that, just cut it into half, and you can can see that very easily, you will get it. So here also you can see that this is only this much piece is enough, more than enough. That's already curled, that's why you can see that. So more than enough. So I hope it is clear how to take the peel off. Right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just transferring this peel into the staining solution so that that will be properly stained, and I can see that that now proper cells and everything. Right. So I have transferred to the diluted safrani solution, because why we are taking diluted, otherwise it will be very that now highly stained, right? So the zyada stain bhi acha nahi hai, that will be too dark. So I am taking the second one also, right? So problem is that when we are doing onion peel and all, there is a chances of curling up. वैसे curl हो जाती है तो वो बहुत मुश्किल है. You can do that. To be careful about that. And the other one also I am just transferring. Put it for 1 minute. Wait for that. After 1 minute, we will transfer into the water again to remove the extra stains. Right. So here I have already put it in the safrani solution. Right. So I already told you the stain is actually utilized or used to color the transparent cells so that the visualization will be more clear. So we can once you will watch through the microscope, then all the parts will be more clear. So that's why we are using staining solution, right? So we will keep it for 1 minute minimum. So here you can see that. So after 1 minute we will continue. So here I have taken a break of 1 minute. So now 1 minute is finished, right? So I'm just taking that after 1 minute. I'm taking the peel and I'm just transferring to the water so that extra stain will be removed. Otherwise it will be too dark, right? So the extra stain will be removed. So how much peels I have taken? Again, you can see that that's already curled, right? So that will be with the help of a forceps and needle. We will make it down to straight. That when we are transferring to the slide, we will do that. But now just transfer into the watch glass which contain the water so that extra stain will be removed. Right. So the last one also I am taking. Right. Why we are keeping 2, 3 so that there will be any mistakes that we can that will be a temporary one also there. So that's why I have taken 2, 3. Right. Now this is finished. Right. Now I am taking a slide. Right. Here is the slide. So I'm transferring the onion peel into the slide. It must be a clean, neat slide which we needed. And I'm just taking one slide, onion peel, right? So with the help of a brush and a needle, or you can say that, for forceps itself, you can just transfer. You can see that it's already enough stained, right? Meanwhile, actually, I have done this. You can see that. You can avoid the curling up by the needle. Yes, I have. The curling up is there, so that's why I have transferred in the opposite manner so that the curling up can be avoided. Yes. Here you can see that it's totally transferred here. Yes, by the help of a needle and all, you can remove that, or you can cut it into small pieces also. There is no problem. Yes, I have transferred that. Now you can see that. Right. Now what you have to do, just put a a drop of glycerin, right? So that the mount will be stick into that the watch glass. The cover slip will be properly mount onto the onion peel properly, right? So here I have put 1 drop. Only 1 drop is there. It's more than 1 drop, right? That will be we will remove. That's how you have got that peel. I will show you how to put the cover slip. When you are putting the cover slip, you have to be more careful. Avoid the air bubbles. Here already air bubbles are there. I will remove that 1 minute. Because it's already the curled up peel is there, so enough air bubbles are there inside. Yes. I need only one part. Yes. So here is the slide which I prepared. Right, the proper staining. It was somewhat lengthy, that's why I haven't cut that. You can cut it and you can stain, put the cover slip. There is no air bubble, it's properly stained, right? And you can see that the cover slip also. Now I will show you under 10x magnification under the microscope, so you can see it. So this is the procedure of the epidermal cells, how to prepare the epidermal cells of onion peel, right? I hope it is clear. Now we are going to watch it under 10x magnification.